From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a toasty one out there today. Temperatures touching 90 degrees in many spots across Acadiana, but it's going to be a little bit cooler this weekend. It's not going to be refreshingly cool. That's set for next weekend. And in between, the weather gets a little bit more interesting in the Gulf of Mexico as we head into next week. More on that in just a bit. So let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor imagery across much of North America, all the way down through the tropics. Still a relatively dry pattern across the region. We can see our tropical system down here by Colombia. But meanwhile, here locally, we're seeing a little subtropical jet stream action, bringing some high clouds in. And these clouds are going to stay with us overnight tonight, and that's going to lock our temperatures into a milder zone. We'll be closer to the mid 60s for a low tonight. We'll get to that. Tomorrow night, though, back down into the upper 50s, and in between, we'll see breezier conditions on the way. Power Doppler 3, we haven't shown this in quite a while. Just tuned it on up, got it ready for the fall season, and all is going well here. We're picking up on some light sprinkles. Most of this is not reaching the ground, but just to give you an idea, some of the cloud cover thick enough to be generating what we call virga that more than likely is evaporating before it reaches the ground. So maybe a sprinkle or two here or there, but rain chances staying near zero overnight tonight, and that's all associated with a little bit of an upper level system here. You see the cloud cover, but our front up here in the nation's midsection, that's going to be sweeping on through as we head through the overnight hours. Meanwhile, tropics getting a little bit more active as expected. Tropical depression number 13, as it got away from land, it's been intensifying, and it continues to do so this evening. 40-mile-per-hour winds as of the 4 o'clock bulletin. The 7 p.m. one, we're going to see stronger winds more than likely. Pressure beginning to drop off, but not by a whole lot. And this is still expected to impact portions of Central America from Nicaragua through Honduras, Guatemala, Belize, Mexico, with some locally heavy rainfall. And it looks like it's going to be a Category 1 storm by late tomorrow night, making landfall tomorrow night, late tomorrow night, early Sunday. But then we're going to keep an eye on how the moisture is going to react. So here's the European model solution showing the storm close to a hurricane, making landfall right around daybreak on Sunday. We'll show you the GFS in just a bit. And then some of the moisture and some of the spin goes out here in the Pacific, but there may be another little vorticity maxima or a spin that develops in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. And look at this. It's trying to work its way northward. We're going to have a front pushing on through at the same time, and that should push any potential weak tropical system away from us, and then it's smooth sailing thereafter with drier air moving in and enthralling the entire Gulf of Mexico. GFS, similar solution with a system making landfall early Sunday, but a little bit more wound up with a system in the southwestern Gulf, but you can see that front kind of containing anything down toward the southern Gulf of Mexico, the northwest Caribbean, and we'll have drier air in place. But the bottom line, we could see some tropical showers around here starting Wednesday and going into Thursday of next week. Near term, though, weak front pushing on through. It's going to be breezy tomorrow, still getting up to about 87 or 88 for a high, so not much cooler, but certainly drier. Tomorrow night, we get down into the mid to upper 50s, and Sunday will favor temperatures closer to the low to mid 80s, and Sunday night, even a little bit cooler, dipping down into the low to mid 50s across the board. So some cooler air certainly on the way. High clouds, though, moving in as we head through the overnight hours. 67 the low tonight, and in between, you'll get to see a 93% of a full hunter's moon out there. That becomes full tomorrow night and going into Sunday night as well. Then going into tomorrow, some clouds, some high clouds in the morning, but back to mostly sunny day. It's going to be breezy. Gusty winds up to 20 to 25 at times, mid-morning through the mid-afternoon, and with all the dry conditions, there's going to be some dusty gusts out there as well, but it's going to feel pleasant with that breeze kicking in. Mid-80s as we go into next week, and then we do see the chance of rain developing as we go into Wednesday. Let's highlight Wednesday and Thursday. Take a look at that European model. Scattered showers and thunder showers possible next Wednesday. Here comes the front. There's the tropical moisture. Could see some locally heavy downpours across portions of the Gulf. We could certainly use that. Thereafter, it clears out and looks very nice as we go into the latter part of the week and into the following weekend, feeling certainly more fall-like out there in the days ahead. But in the near term, mid-60s overnight tonight, tomorrow still in the 80s, but dry and a little dusty with those gusty winds, those winds gusting up to 20 to 25 for tomorrow afternoon.
Ooh.
Yes, a little blustery.
Windy
out
day
there.
ahead.
Yes, indeed.
Welcome to the desk, Rob.
Yeah, I feel like I'm at the big boy desk.
Jim's off this evening, so Rob gets the chance to hang out in his seat. All righty, thanks, Rob. Stay with us, everybody. More news coming up.